Right now, something is buzzing in the air. It's a feeling you can almost touch, a sense of anticipation that's spreading through city streets, online forums, and living rooms around the world. In the world of cryptocurrency, millions are holding their breath. Every second, new messages pop up, charts flicker, and people everywhere are glued to their screens, waiting for the next big move. This is the Pi Network community, waiting for something big. They're not just spectators, they're participants, pioneers, and believers in a vision that could change the way we think about money. An announcement is coming, and the anticipation is electric. Group chats are lighting up, countdowns are ticking, and everyone is wondering what's about to unfold. It feels like the final seconds of a tied game. Everyone is refreshing their screens, talking in forums, and speculating. The tension is almost palpable, as if the whole community is holding its breath together. For years, pioneers have tapped their phones daily, accumulating Pi coins and believing in a new kind of crypto. Each tap was a small act of faith, a daily ritual that brought people closer to a shared dream. Now, it feels like their patience is about to be rewarded. Smiles are spreading, and hope is building with every passing minute. This isn't just about money. It's about being part of a movement for accessible, people-powered finance. It's about building a future where everyone has a seat at the table, no matter where they come from. The upcoming announcement could validate years of faith and effort. For many, it's a chance to see their hard work and belief finally pay off. The community is united, waiting for founders Nicholas Kokalis and Chengdiao Fan to reveal the next chapter. Their words could set the tone for the future of the entire project. Will it be a major partnership, a top-tier exchange listing, or something no one expects? The rumors are flying, and the possibilities seem endless. The possibilities are endless, and the excitement is real. Every message, every rumor, every hint adds fuel to the fire of anticipation. The community has done its part. They've built networks, shared knowledge, and supported each other through every twist and turn. Now, all eyes are on the leaders for what comes next. The world is watching, and the next move could change everything. To truly understand today's excitement around Pi Network, let's rewind to where it all began. A story that starts not in a corporate skyscraper, but in the heart of innovation. Pi Network was born at Stanford University, a place known for sparking world-changing ideas and nurturing bold thinkers. Two visionary PhDs, Nicholas Kokalis and Chengdiao Fan, noticed a troubling trend. Cryptocurrency was becoming a club for the few, not the many. Mining Bitcoin demanded expensive, power-hungry hardware and deep technical expertise, barriers that kept most people out and contradicted the dream of a truly decentralized future. So, they asked a simple but radical question: what if anyone, anywhere, could mine cryptocurrency right from their smartphone? No special equipment needed. In 2019, on Pi Day, March 14th, they launched Pi Network, using a lightweight, energy-efficient protocol that wouldn't drain your phone or the planet. Their mission was ambitious: to build a cryptocurrency and smart contracts platform powered not by a handful of experts, but by everyday people from all walks of life. The idea caught fire quickly. No flashy ads, just people sharing the vision with friends, family, and communities, spreading organically across the globe. All you had to do was download the app, tap a button once a day, and start earning Pi, no technical background required. The simplicity and accessibility drew in millions, united by the hope for a more inclusive and fair financial future, where everyone could participate. Pi's journey began with a powerful promise: to make cryptocurrency truly for everyone, everywhere. And it's that promise, a vision of global inclusion and empowerment, that brings us to this pivotal moment in Pi's story. Pi Network made crypto mining effortless, opening the doors for millions who had never considered mining before. Before Pi, mining meant noisy warehouses, expensive hardware, and sky-high electricity bills, making it out of reach for most everyday people. Pi flipped the script with mobile mining. All you had to do was tap a lightning bolt in the app once a day, and you were mining. There was no need for complex math, no risk of overheating your phone, and no battery drain. Just simple proof that you're a real, active user. This eco-friendly approach directly addressed growing concerns about crypto's massive energy consumption and environmental impact. But Pi wasn't just about mining. It encouraged community building. You could invite trusted friends to your security circle, boosting your mining rate and helping secure the network. This social element helped Pi grow virally as people shared the app with friends and family, creating a ripple effect. As more people joined, mining rewards halved at key milestones, creating a sense of urgency and rewarding those who got in early. This clever design made Pi coins feel valuable and fueled rapid global expansion as users from every continent joined the movement. Pi's genius was making crypto accessible, sustainable, and social, removing barriers that kept most people out of the crypto world. It wasn't just about earning coins. It was about building a trusted, global network where everyone could participate. The project's explosive growth was fueled by its simplicity, inclusivity, and the power of community. Pi's unique approach set it apart from every other cryptocurrency, challenging the status quo and inspiring curiosity. The world was watching as Pi rewrote the rules of what was possible in the crypto space, and as the momentum kept building, it became clear, Pi had truly changed the game for everyone. Pi's journey from app to blockchain was methodical. The enclosed mainnet phase kept Pi coins within the ecosystem, allowing safe testing and development. A key milestone was KYC, verifying millions of real users to prevent fake accounts. By late 2024, over 19 million users completed KYC, creating one of the largest verified digital networks. More than 10 million pioneers migrated their balances to the mainnet. Developers built over 100 mainnet-ready apps, from games to marketplaces. These achievements laid the foundation for Pi's future. The grace period in mid-2024 was a final push to get everyone verified and migrated. The core team made it clear, the firewall would only come down when the community and ecosystem were ready. They were building a city and wanted everything in place before opening the gates. On February 20, 2025, the wait ended. The Pi core team launched the open network, removing the firewall. For the first time, Pi could connect to other blockchains and be listed on external exchanges. Years of tapping and building led to this pivotal moment. The announcement electrified the community. Pi was now a public cryptocurrency. Exchanges rushed to list PI, and the response was explosive. The price surged as excitement and speculation took hold. Pi was finally on the world stage, subject to real market forces. With open trading came volatility and new challenges. The open mainnet launch wasn't the end, it was a new beginning. Pi graduated from experiment to real player in the decentralized economy. Risks and rewards were now real. The world was watching. Once Pi hit the open market, its price soared, then plunged. In the first week, Pi reached an all-time high of $2.91, briefly ranking among the top cryptocurrencies. Early pioneers saw their coins turn into real wealth, at least on paper, but crypto is volatile. After the initial frenzy, the price dropped sharply. By September 2025, PI had fallen to just 0.24, a 90% drop from its peak. As of October, it hovered around 0.27, with technical indicators still bearish. Despite the price drop, Pi's fundamentals remained strong. Nearly $2 billion market cap, over 8 billion coins circulating. The decline washed out short-term speculators, setting a new baseline. Now, Pi's value would be built on real utility and adoption, not just hype. The roller coaster ride was a reality check for the community, but the foundation for future growth was solid. In crypto, hype can move markets as much as facts. The Pi community's passion is legendary. Rumors spread fast and can spark wild rallies. In May 2025, whispers of a major announcement sent excitement soaring. The hottest rumor, a top-tier exchange listing, possibly Binance. A whale wallet bought 155 million PI, fueling speculation. The price surged 50% in days, market cap soared, and trading volume exploded. It was a powerful display of community-driven momentum, but it also showed the double-edged sword of hype. Rumors can drive prices up or down. The May rally is fresh in everyone's minds as they await today's announcement. The hope, another rally, maybe even bigger. The community is buzzing. What will the big announcement be? With prices down, everyone hopes for a game-changing catalyst. Theories abound, but a few stand out. A partnership with a major global company could bring real-world utility. Imagine using Pi for everyday purchases. A listing on a top-tier exchange like Binance or Coinbase would boost credibility and liquidity, or perhaps a major upgrade, a full smart contracts platform, unlocking new dApps and innovation. Any of these could transform Pi's future. The community is ready for a breakthrough. The next chapter could start today. As the sun sets, Pi's community dreams bigger than ever. This isn't just about price, it's about building a fair, open financial future for all. Pioneers hope the next announcement brings real utility, using Pi for coffee, groceries, or supporting local businesses. The goal is to make Pi part of daily life, giving it lasting value. The community also hopes the project stays true to its eco-friendly, people-first roots. Pi's greatest strength is its passionate global network. The future rests in their hands. This announcement may be a turning point, but the journey continues. The hope: energize the network, attract developers, inspire new businesses, and prove a better financial system is possible. The road has been long, but the spirit of the pioneers is unbroken. United and hopeful, they're ready to build the future, one Pi at a time.